What's up, my friends? So, we are going to be doing a painting, and I've got all my paint applied already. So today we're using Ocean Green, Pale Yellow, Raw Sienna, and Mars Black. Oh, and this new Artist Loft paint they're using. This is Artist Level 2. I'll give you my thoughts at it in just a little bit as we kind of play and work. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I actually bought the level 3 of it too. I was curious, so I bought it. Okay, so I kind of want to do so we're going to be doing, we've got black here and here, and this black is going to blend into the blue. We're going to take this raw sienna and kind of blend it with that blue and that yellow a bit. Then this is a deeper phthalo blue, and blend that into the black. So that's the plan, Stan. We'll see how it ends up, man. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah. So somebody had mentioned earlier that I need to start going in multiple directions, and I wholeheartely love that comment. I thought it was super good. I'm completely ignoring it on this one just because I kind of I have a thing in mind that I wanted to create, but I do want to try it. And need a little bit black, a little bit more blue. So oh man, I set my palette knife down on my table. Oops. Wow. Good thing it's a plastic table, it just cleans up a little. Brush. Okay, let's see. Ah, don't go fall off the edge. Okay. Oops. So you got to be careful not to, when you angle your brush, your knife down, if you're not careful, you end up crushing the, cutting into the paint, and that's not what you want. All right, I wanted this pale yellow to make more of an appearance, so I'm actually gonna put this down here. I wanted it to be more of a thing. Just clean enough to take, yeah. like that. I like that. Oops, head butted you. Sorry about that. You know what? We need more yellow here. That yellow isn't doing its job. It's too pale. You can see a little bit more yellow in person than you do on the camera, but it's still too soft. So we got some cadmium yellow. And this one here I'm going to switch. I'm not going to switch. I'm going to use this guy. Just lay a couple little bits. I'm going to throw some accents in a few different parts. Doing the same thing the other way. Dogs. Dogs. I'm recording on YouTube. Seriously? You're embarrassing me. Alright, so there's some details that I want to add. Some lightning I want to do. It's actually too deep. There's too much black to it. And you know me, I'm not normally like a moody person, so yeah, so we're going to go ahead and put this ocean green in here. And it's really, even though it says ocean green, it's more like baby blue with maybe a hint of green in it, but ocean, nay. Okay. I wish I had more room to kind of do stuff. I'm going to put up some, I bought 200 feet of this carpet shield stuff, and so I might just do my whole house. we'll do the whole house. And actually, I was thinking about putting some white on it. I don't know if that's the answer, though. Well, it's not the answer. Okay, I feel better about that, to be honest. No! No! Okay, palette knife fell on the carpet. Made no mess. Okay, I'm liking this white thing. It feels like it's bringing back the painting, because we had fun, beautiful colors throughout. All right. So I'm pushing up on a clean palette knife. I'm pushing up the paint, drawing the knife through it so it catches a little bit on both sides, and just using the edge to draw semi-straight lines. And I don't have a plan for this, so we'll see how it goes. Well, when I said I took a clean palette knife, I kind of fibbed, apparently. Because I can see, man, I'm probably making, like, actual trained artist cringe every time I do that. Okay, we is done. Guys, thank you for watching. Hold on. Thanks for watching, guys. I love that I get to create art and hang out with you guys and talk and feel like I'm doing this with friends. So guys, thanks for watching. You know, we're gonna work on this. It's gonna get awesome. So guys, would you do something for me? Would you go down and click that like button? And if you're subscribed already but you haven't rang that bell, which is just to the other side of the subscribe button, that just lets you know when I upload videos. But if you do ring that bell, make sure you get ready, because over the next few days I'm going to do a painting a day. Alright guys, so that's it. Will Black Art. Peace out.